Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add an admin to your Tumblr community on your mobile app. Now actually you can do that on your mobile app without using the desktop version of Tumblr. And here's how you do it. Log into your Tumblr account on the web using a web browser if you prefer. Then go to the community where you want to add an admin. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the community page. Select Manage Community from the drop-down menu. Find the menu you want to make an admin. Find the member you want to make an admin in the list of members. Click the Promote to Admin button next to their name and confirm your action by clicking Promote to Admin again in the pop-up message. This will grant the selected member administrative privileges for the community. That is, they will be able to manage members, moderate posts, and make changes to the community settings. Please note, only the creator of the community can add other admins. So if you're not, you won't be able to do this. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.